fudgy bar, dewy donut, ito mga biscuit, Pombi, cream o presto, tatlong clover and isang mogi. So ngayon, ayusin ko na sila, i-organize ko sila dito sa isang box. Ito na yung current situation ng inayos ko. Then, ito, syempre sa ref to. Tapos, ito, sa lamesa lang. Alam naman kasi natin mauubos agad to. So, syempre sa lamesa na lang to. Mga ano lang to, 1 hour jar. So, maglalagay tayo ng choco kasi masarap to kapag ano, nagyayelo na siya. Yung zest o choco. Tinapita siya. This is what our freezer looks like. So, meron tayong tender juicy, mga, ano ito dito? Kikiam. May rice cake, merong ham, longganisa, cereal, chicken franks, chicken tapa, then, tas mga pork, chicken, and all. Yarn!
I made one mistake, not a big one too. Said I was sorry 1,000 times to you. We used to talk a lot and stay up late. Now we never talk, doesn't feel so great. Feels so great, say and stay up late for you. Feels so great. Stay up late for you. You talk to my friends, call them pretty too. Is this making you or me the bigger fool? I stayed up late for you, I listened to you. I told you that you were worth more than what you had thought. And it didn't have to be romantic, I just needed a friend, 'cause I miss you. Feels so great, say and stay up late for you. Feels so great, say and stay up late for you. Feels so great, say and stay up late for you. Feels so great, say and stay up late. No matter how hard to say, I miss you and I wish that you'd give me the time of time. I made one mistake, not a big one too. Said I was sorry 1,000 times to you. We used to talk a lot and stay up late. Now we never talk, doesn't feel so great.
Okay, so finally, I'll start this day by eating something healthy. This is my vegetable and fruit salad, so let's go and open it. Okay, just kidding, you can't eat it because it's actually a facial sheet mask. Yes guys, it's a facial sheet mask from FARMSKIN. This bundle has a different vegetable and fruit inside such as carrot, coconut, tomato, beet, kale, avocado, and blueberry. I am so happy to finally found a face mask with different purpose, so without further ado, let's know more about them. By the way, it also comes with facial cleansing foam. It is enriched with natural and apple botanicals that can help control grease and smoothen our skin without stripping away essential moisture. Now let's talk about their 7 facial sheet masks. Their avocado mask is for softening, kale mask is for purifying, blueberry is for strengthening, tomato is for revitalizing, carrot is for pore purifying, beet for brightening, and of course their coconut mask, which is for nourishing. I am so in love with this sheet mask because it makes my skin brighter, hydrated, and more youthful. I do not know what's running through my mind, but I'll be using and showing you these FARMSKIN products here outside our house. First, I'll be using their facial cleansing foam for oily skin. As you can see, I already washed my face, so yeah. So I'm currently squeezing a small amount and I'll apply it all over my face. Girl, I swear it smells so good. If I could just eat this, I would definitely eat this. It smells so sweet and it smells like a real apple. Bye, I'm gonna wash my face. Okay, that was fast, but now I'm gonna use a facial sheet mask. I look so ugly, so I won't show my whole face. Oh no, okay, I'm gonna turn around. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can now remove it. There's still a remaining essence, so I'm just gonna blend it. Ooh, okay, don't touch me. I look so fresh in here. Thank you, FARMSKIN. By the way, their shop links will be on my description box so you guys can check out and get yours. This is my face after using FARMSKIN products. So yeah, I look so fresh, smoother, and brighter. So you should definitely get yours now. So much love.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let